Assalamu alaikum. The purpose of recording is to make things more clear, especially for those students who cannot follow every class. In this class, we have recording from class 5 to 11 with detail. So, the students who don't have time enough to go class to class, if they follow only this recording, inshallah, that will be sufficient to make things more clear for them. Inshallah. In class 12, we are going to revise our lessons from 5 to 11. Harfujar, prepositions. So we already revised this one in last revision from class 1 to 5, but some students requested to revise once more. So inshallah, here we see in note, Harfujar has always noun like ism. Harfujar brings down the ending vowel of the noun. And next, Harfujar plus noun ism equal ism majroor. So ism majroor is when this ending vowel is down here. So let's see how it works. Here we see min, from, fi, in, ila, to, ala, on. So aina, huwa. Aina mean where. Huwa mean he. Aina huwa. Huwa fil baiti. Here we see because of harfujar, the ending vowel is down. Usually it is baytun, al baytu, but because of harfujar, it's fil bayti. If we use min, we'll say anything. Min al bayti, from the house. Fil bayti, in the house. Ila bayti, towards house. Mean whatever we use, min, fi, ila, ala or other prepositions, noun will be majroor. Ending vowel will be down. Let's see more practice. Huwa minal madinati. He is from the city. Now we see here minal madinati. When we use al, there is no tanween. We already studied it, but it's kasra. Okay, minal madinati. We can never say minal madinata, minal madinatu. We don't say like this. Okay, here we see fi. Al qalmu fil haqibati. The pen is in the bag. We here see harfujar and haqibati. Ism majroor. Ala. Al qalmu alal kitabi. We see here kitabi. Ism majroor because of harfujar. Ila. Zahaba. Zahaba mean he went. Zahaba ila suqi. Suqi, market. We see here. Next one. Aina huwa. Huwa fil ghurfati. Where is he? He is in the room. We see here ghurfati. Min aina huwa. Where is he from? Min mean from. Min aina huwa. Where is he from? Huwa min al madinati. He is from the city. Anas sayaratu. Where is the car? Hazihi alat tariqi. It is on the way. So here we see tariqi. So we cannot say alat tariqu or alat tariqa. Harfujar then ism. Ism is majroor. So, أين القلم? القلم على الكتاب. It is on the book. Now, هذا في الكتاب. It is in the book. أين زيد? Where is زيد? هو في المسجد. هو في المسجد. أين الرجل? Where is the man? هو على الحصان. He is on the horse. هو على الطريق. He is on the way. هو في الغرفة. He is in the room. أين هذه? Where is it? هذه على الأرض. It is on the ground. هذه على الكرسي. It's on the chair. هذه على الكتاب. It's on the book. هذه من السوق. It is only just for practice. You can make any sentence. It is from the market. هم في السيارة. They are in the car. الحصان في الحديقة. The horse is in the garden. ذهب إلى السوق. ذهب إلى البيت. ذهب إلى المسجد. He went to market. He went to the house. He went to the masjid. Now for female, ذهبت إلى الثلاجة. She went to the refrigerator. ذهبت إلى الغرفة. She went to the room. ذهبت إلى الحديقة. She went to the garden. الثلج في الثلاجة. The ice is in the refrigerator. الخبز في الثلاجة. The bread is in the refrigerator. هي في الغرفة. She is in the room. Now, you can use أين with من, في, إلى, على using different way. For example, أين أنت? أين أنت? Where are you? أنا في البيت. أنا في المطبخ. When you use fil, we use matbakhi. Though here it is matbakhun, but when we use any of the harfu jar, we use here ism majroor. Aina anta. Ana fi suqi. Aina talibatu. See, we use talibatu. So we can say hiya fil ghurfati. So you can make more sentences, as many as you want. So inshallah you will get good understanding. So next one, here we have Jama Muzakkar Salim. Jama Muzakkar Salim is when we use una sound. For example, here we see Muslimuna, Kafiruna, Kafiruna, Munafiquna. Here we have Sariquna, Mudarrisuna, so on. So here we see how it works. Huwa minal madinati. Huwa minal madinati. Huwa muslimun. For mufrad, for single. For huma we use muslimani. Huma minal madinati. They are from the city. Huma muslimani. So when we use ani, it means we are talking about two people. So now here, hum minal madinati. They are from Medina, from city. Hum muslimun. They are Muslims. Okay. Now we see here muslimun, muhandisun. So this sound tells us that it's Jama Muzakkar Salim. Huwa minal madinati. Huwa kafirun. Huwa minal madinati. Huwa kafirun. He is from the city and he is disbeliever. Huma we use for two people. This is for dual, tasniya. Huma minal madinati. Huma kafirani. Kafirani. So hum minal madinati. They are from the city. Hum kafirun. Hum kafirun. They are disbelievers. So here we see huwa zalimun. Here huwa mudarrisun. Here huwa sarikun. And for two, huma zalimani. Huma mudarrisani. And huma sarikani. And for that was for mufrad, singular. This is tasniya, dual. And hum zalimun. They are wrongdoer. And hum mudarrisun. They are teachers. Hum sariqun. They are thieves. And next one, here we have mudafun wa mudafun ilayhi. Wa min and. If we see this note, so mudafun is possession. Mudafun never has al. Mudafun never has tanween. Two things we have to keep in mind. Mudafun, the possession, the object we talk about in someone's possession has never al or tanween. Mudafun ilahi is possessor and it is always majroor. So we see here some examples. Kitabu Zaidin. Now here we see this is the object. Object never has al and never has tanween. Like we cannot put to dhamma, to fatha or to kasra. Okay. So and it will never have al. Here we see Sarirul Mudarrisi, the bed of the teacher. Sayaratul Waladi, the car of the boy. Kitabut Talibi, the book of the student. Now, Hada Kitabut Talibi, this is the book of the student. Haza Babus Sayarati, this is the door of the car. Hada Maq'adul Mudarrisi, Maq'adul Mudarrisi, this is the seat of the teacher. Hazihi Usratut Talibi, this is the family of the student. Hazihi Usratut Talibi, this is the family of the student. Imamul Masjidi. This is the Imam of Masjid. Haza Ismul Baladi. This is the name of the city. Baladi, city. Haza Ismul Zamili. This is the name of classmate. Here are some words you can use. Haza Hizau Imamin. We can say this is shoe of Imam. Hazihi Lughatul Usrati. This is the language of the family. Haza Imamul Masjidi. This is Imam of the Masjid. Haza Maq'adul Mudarrisi. This is the seat of the teacher. You can take any of the word from here and you can make mudaf wa mudafun ilayhi. So here are few words like tiflatun, girl, hizaun, shoe, imamun, imam of masjid, lughatun, language, hatifun, phone, mihfazatun, its wallet, usratun, family, tabakun, plate, maq'adun, seat, misbahun, lamp, sallatun, basket, jumlatun, sentence, samakun, fish, sariqun, thief, baladun, city, usratun, family, mumarridatun, nurse, mil'akatun, spoon, tamarun, date, tariqun, way, zamilun, class fellow, classmate, muallimun, knowledgeable, bakkalun, shopkeeper, naharun, river, kursiyun, chair, himarun, donkey. So here we have some more words. Ana, I, waladun, boy, khubzun, bread, anta, you, hakibatu, bag, talibatu, student, hadiqatu, garden, rajulun, man, qalamun, pen, hada, this, maktabun, desk, matbakhun, kitchen, sarirun, bed, thallajatun, refrigerator, daftarun, notebook, sukun, market, baytun, house, masjidun, masjid, here, she, khurfatun, room. So here we use some places we see here al, but I'm not saying al as-suku, but actually root word is sukun, baytun. So we should know actual word. While we use al, tanween goes away. It's baytun. When we use al baytu. So next one, damirun muttasilun, possessive pronoun. Okay, there is another term we say damirun munfasilun. Those pronouns, personal pronoun, which stand themselves like I, you, we, they. So those are known as damirun munfasilun. So we already studied those. And now we are going to study today possessive pronoun. So first we see here some points about them. It is attached to the noun. Okay, damirun muttasilun is attached to the noun. It is mudafun ilay. It is always in the place of majroor, even it doesn't have kasra. It shows possession. So I would like to explain here that it doesn't have kasra. We know that majroor, we studied a while back that majroor brings the ending vowel of a noun down. But here it says even if it doesn't have kasra, it is in the place of majroor. So let's see how it works. Here we see huwa, he. When we use ha with noun, so that will become mudaf ilay and item will become possession, like kitabun and ha. Kitabuhu, noun, here is object kitabun, and ha. Kitabuhu, his book. Now you see mudaf, mudafun ilay. This is mudaf and hu, mudafun ilay. And here we don't see kasra, but it is in the place of majroor. Mudafun ilay is always majroor, though it doesn't have any kasra. So it is a little bit tricky, but with practice we will come to know, inshallah. Here we see huma, they, for two people. Huma plus noun, kitabu, huma. Here again we don't see kasra, but it is their book for two people. It is their book. So mudaf and mudafun ilay. Hum, they. Kitabu hum, noun plus hum, their book. Hum comes for plural. Huma for two people, tasniya, dual, and huwa for one person, he. So next one, here, she. Ha plus noun. Kitabuha. Kitabuha, her book. Baituha, her house. Qalamuha, her pen. So anything. Sayaratuha, her car. Anything we can say. Again, huma for two people, tasniya, dual. Huma plus noun. Kitabu huma, their book. Mean for two people. Again here. When it's huwa, kitabuhu, his book. Kitabu huma, their book. Huma use for two people. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabuhuma, their book, for two people. Kitabuhunna, their book. It is for female. It is for feminine. Kitabuhunna. Next one, anta. For anta, when we tell your possession, for second person, we use ka. Kitabuka. We see here is fatah, not kasra, but still it is majroor. Kitabuka, your book. Antuma, for two people, we use koma. Kitabukuma, your book, for two people. Antum, we use kum, for possession. Kitabukum, your book. It's for more than two people. Your book. Anti, we use ki. Kitabuki, your book. Antuma, two people. Kitabukuma, your book. Antunna, for plural females, we use kunna for possession. Kitabukunna, your book. Baitukunna, your house. Kalamukunna, your pen. So it is more than 2% here. Females. More than 2 females. Now next one, ana. For ana, we use ya. Ya mutakallim, it's known as. Ya plus noun. Kitabi. Just we put ya. It means my possession, my book. Qalami, my pen. Rabbi, my Rab. Baiti, my house. And whatever. And so on. Nahnu, we. Na plus noun. Kitabuna, our book. Rabbuna, our Rab. Qalamuna, our pen. And next one. Here we have little more practice. Hazihi madinatuhu. This is his city. Hazihi madinatuhuma. This is their city for 2 people. Hazihi madinatuhum. It is their city for more than 2 people. So it goes all the way till nahnu. Hazihi madinatuna. So this is our city. So you can make more practice with them. Hazihi ghurfatuhu. It means that this is his room. So all the way down again. Ghurfatuna. Hazihi ghurfatuna. This is our room. So you can make more practice with kalamuhu. Haza kalamuhu. Then kalmuhuma, kalmuhum. Then kalmuha, kalmuhuma, kalmuhunna, kalmuka, kalmukuma, kalmukum, kalmuki, kalmukuma, kalmukunna, kalami, kalmuna. So here are some more words for you with damar. All 14 damar here, and you can use with lugatuhu, lugatuhuma, lugatuhum, and all the way till lugatuna, till my language. Rabbuhu, rabbuhuma, rabbuhum, rabbuha, rabbuhuma, rabbuhunna, and all the way rabbuna or rab. You can pick any word from here and you can start with that. Inshallah, make more practice as much as you can do, and try to look for these kind of mudaf le or possession in Quran. Inshallah. And next one here is failun. Failun, verbs. So as we studied in Arabic, 97% verb has 3 letters. Fa, a, la. So it is represented by these 3 letters. We can say this is the formula. There is no change in the vowel of fa and la. But there can be change in the vowel of ain, what is in between. So fa, you will find fatah and fatah, la, fatah. But in ain kalama, we can see fatah, dama or kasra. Verbs in Arabic start in the past tense, and they start with 3rd person singular, he. Verbs in Arabic have different categories known abwab. So here are 6 categories: hasiba, karoma, sami'a, fataha, daraba, nasara. So here we see fa, a, la. So we join here fa'ala, he did. So we can see here he did. It is started in the past tense with third person singular, with he. Next, here we have singular, dual, plural. Huwa, kataba. So he wrote. Kataba, we see here fa kalama, ain and lam. Kataba. He wrote. For 2 people we use kataba. We use alif here. Huma kataba. They wrote. For 2 people. And we use waw and alif for more than 2 people. Katabu. Sami'a. He heard. Here we see that not all 3 letters have fatha. In the place of ain, it has kasra. Sami'a. He heard. Sami'a. Again we use alif. Mean 2 people heard. They heard. Sami'u. They heard. Fataha. We see all fatah. Fa, ain and lam. We have fatah. He opened. Fataha. They opened. Fatahu. They opened. More than 2 people. Kharaja. He exited. Kharaja. 2 people exited. Kharaju. They exited. Zahaba. He went. Zahaba. For 2 people. They went. Zahabu. They went. Shariba. He drank. Shariba. Sharibu. Fahima. Here we see kasra. Here we see kasra. He understood. Fahima. They understood. For 2 people. Fahimu. They understood. Now next one here. We use hiya. Hiya katabat. If it's huwa, kataba. If hiya, katabat. We use ta. It's known tau tanisi for feminine. Katabat, she wrote. Katabata and katabna. Hunna, katabna. They wrote. It's for 2, dual, huma. And this is for more than 2 females. Katabna. Sami'at. She heard. Sami'ata. 2 people heard. Sami'na. They heard. More than 2. Fatahat. She opened. Fatahata. They opened. Fatahna. They opened. More than 2. Kharajat. She exited. Kharajata. They exited for 2 people. And kharajna. They exited. Zahabat. She went. Zahabata. 2 females went. Zahabna. They went. More than 2 people. Here, anta. You. Katabta. Anta. Katabta. You wrote. Antuma. Katabtuma. You wrote, but 2 people. Antum. Katabtum. You wrote, more than 2 people. You. Here is plural. Fatahta. You opened. Fatahtuma. 2 Two you people open. And fatahtum, you open. Qatalta, you killed. Qataltuma, qataltum. Kharajta, kharajtuma, kharajtum. Sami'ta, sami'tuma, sami'tum. Zahabta, zahabtuma, zahabtum. Now, here is use of anti, like you for feminine, female. Anti, katabti, you wrote. Katabtuma, two people wrote. But it is used for male and female both. Katabtuma. Katabtunna, antunna, katabtunna. It's here more than two females. Katabtunna. Fatahti, anti, fatahti, you open. Fatatuma, you open, more than two. Fatahtunna, antunna, fatatunna, you open. Qatalti, qataltuma, qataltunna, antunna, qataltunna, you killed. Kharajti, kharajtuma, kharajtunna. Sami'ti, sami'tuma, sami'tunna. Zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna. Now, out of those 14 damair, 2 are left, ana and nahnu. Ana we use while we did something, tu. Like here we see, ana katabtu, I wrote. Fatahtu, I opened. Qataltu, I killed. Kharajtu, I exited. Sami'tu, I heard. Zahabtu, I went. And for nahnu, we use na. Katabna, we wrote. Fatahna, we opened. Qatalna, we killed. Kharajna, we exited. Sami'na, we heard. Zahabna, we went. So, inshallah, I hope so. It's very clear to all of you. But still, if you have any confusion, as usual, you can ask me privately on WhatsApp. Because of your homework, I see all of you understand everything. So keep it up, inshallah. Our main purpose is to understand Quran. Whenever you recite Quran, so try to match what you studied here. That will be beneficial, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.